All right, hi there again, guys. So today we'll be doing the same thing. We'll be going through the stocks, and we're trying to come up with the ones that need to be entered tomorrow. So I already did the analysis. So I'll show you the six stocks that I came up with at the end. I'm also coming back to. I made a video 2 days ago. So for that, there were only two stocks that actually gave a breakout, which was Anuras and Optimus. So those two stocks were enterable. Apart from that, none of them showed any confirmation. So that usually happens because if you do end up with at least eight stocks that you think are going to move up, only two of them actually give a confirmation of breakout, which is very likely. So, and out of that, Optimus was actually the only one that showed a considerable breakout. Others was still not such strong breakout. Anyway, so yesterday I couldn't make a video, but today again I've analyzed based on the current stock market. So basically, Nifty was down a little bit. It's not very strong, but I wouldn't say it's very weak. There is considerable investment from FII and DIA. Apart from that, geopolitical conditions seem to be moving in a positive direction. Crude is not that costly, which is of some impact to India, positive impact at least, right? So that is good. IT stocks, like always, they are trying down. Nifty Bank is moving. So keeping all that in mind, I was able to filter out one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight different stocks. So then let's just jump into it. The first one is Aeroflex. I've ordered them in the order of their ranking. So this is the best one. Moves all the way down to the most okayish one, right? So Aeroflex is the stock that I think is very good to enter tomorrow. Of course, it has moved a lot today, 8%. So whenever a stock rises this much on one day, it tends to retrace, or there is some profit booking on the next day. So I expect it to fall a little, but of course this is profit booking. The overall trend is upwards. So tomorrow when you see a red candle here, uh, try to buy at a lower price, and of course after that red candle you can wait one more day and make sure that okay, now it's going to be moving upwards, because if you see two red candles, then that basically means you're getting a better entry price. So we can wait for that, but overall this is a good candidate. If tomorrow this opens on a green candle above today's high, then that would mean that this is very high volume, and you can just enter, or I can just enter, of course. IOLCP is also a very good candidate. The upward trajectory is amazing. You can see that it was at 68, and right now it's 185, which is, I would say, almost a 300% return over just 3 months, or a few months from March up till now. So March, April, May, March, April, May, June, July. Yes. So around 6 months, you get a 300% return, which is amazing. But it's still in a very strong uptrend. So it's definitely something to look out for. Again, same thing with this. It has moved a lot today. So of course, you're going to see some profit booking and trace back tomorrow. So don't directly enter, or at least I would suggest not. Next one is way back, and this stock is on a upward trajectory for a very long time. So again, this one is something that's very good. I also this same stock came up in a stock filter, or in a Chartink query that I had created some time back, around 3 or 4 days back. So I think that was around this period right here, where it was in the consolidation phase, and it has definitely started to move up now. So this is a good sign. So this again is one of those long-term stocks that, uh, in long terms, in terms of if you're doing swing trading, then maybe you can take around 1 to 2 weeks and then 10% return and just exit. Or if you want to hold it for longer, you could have a better return. This one, Jindal Saw, awesome. Also a very good upward stock trend. Of course, there will be ups and downs because of profit booking. Again, same thing. increased 7% today, so tomorrow most likely it will fall. But you'll have to track the stock for 2 days and then enter it to good price. And then from after, as soon as you enter, at least 1 to 2 weeks out, I think a 10% return is appropriate. Uh, Hindustan Zinc. Something you also notice is MCX and commodities are increasing in terms of prices. So the commodity prices are moving up. So MCX is also increasing. MCX is not here. Uh, MCX, the commodity stock, is not in this filter right now, but it's something that is has been increasing for a while. So it's definitely a good investment choice. Of course, anything and everything that I'm saying about investment, just keep in mind that this is just something that I believe in. That's my opinion, and that's what I'm going to follow. But I'm not in any way suggesting that you should be doing the same thing. So I'm not SEBI-registered. I'll have that at the beginning as well. Okay, next one is Hindustan Copper. Like this again, very good setup. Okay, now you can see there was a huge gap down 2 days ago, and then after that huge gap down, there was a red candle, and that is almost a bullish engulfing candle right here. That has just basically soaked up all the selling pressure or the buying pressure. So my assumption is it will go up as well. SBFC, again, it has been in this level consolidated here for a long time, and then it's has shown a breakout. This I don't think is really appropriate because all of a sudden it has shown a big breakout, but I don't think this is normal, and it's like a once in a few months kind of something that happens, right? It's not something that you're going to see often. We're not going to see a clear upward trajectory like you see in most of the stocks. This one is very stable, SPFC. This is the least best one, right? It's the worst out of all of these. And then Kotak Bank again. This is also good. I think it's better than SBFC actually. But again, it's not. I wouldn't say it's something that you can blindly trust just because it has increased today. So once again, I'll go through all the ones that I ranked. Aeroflex, ILCP. The next one is Payback, General Saw, in Hindustan Zinc, Hindustan Copper, Kotak Bank, and SBFC. So tomorrow we'll see which ones actually give a confirmation breakout. And in fact, maybe not tomorrow. For 2 days, I'll have to track them. I would personally track them because when a stock increases a lot on one day, it tends to fall or retrace its path on the next day. So it'll fall a little bit, but the overall movement will should be upwards. So after the 2 or 3 trading sessions, it should continue moving upwards. Right. So that will be my lookout for this week. So these are pretty good candidates. We'll see what happens after that. Again, I just like to reiterate, none of this analysis that I'm doing, it's all for me, for to be able to keep a log of what's happening. If I need to go back in time and see 2 weeks ago the stocks that I picked and what their prices are uh, in a future point in time, I'll be able to predict if this Chartink query or analysis actually worked out. So give a better understanding. In a way, I'm doing back testing, but I think I'm doing it on my own analysis because backtesting is not that simple. So there are many different backtests as well. That being said, I'm not SEBI registered, and please do not take any of this advice. And do your own research. And yeah, this is just an analysis. That's it. You don't need to trust it blindly. That's all for today. And yeah, we'll see where these stocks end up after 2 weeks. Hopefully, that most of them will give a 10% return. Most of the ones that actually do give a confirmation should give a good return. All right, guys. So that's all for today.